Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like My Neighbor Zuckerberg, a show that talks to entrepreneurs from all over the country and their stories, adventures, and what makes them who they are today.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil and this time me and Vivek are both in the studio. It's good, अच्छा है ये AC वैसी चलता रहता है यहाँ पे.
हाँ, बहुत ज़रूरी है सेहत के लिए. हमारी सेहत अच्छी रहेगी तो आपकी टीम अच्छी बनती रहेगी. टीम अच्छी बनेगी तो पैसों नोटों की बारिश होगी.
Okay. On that note, पहले हम कल का मैच थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. What an innings by Rahul Tripathi.
Oh, brilliant innings. He's come out of, in my opinion, obscurity. Nobody talked about him coming into the tournament. I'm pretty sure even the Pune management would have known very little about this guy. He's by the way from Maharashtra. Number one, तो यही लोगों को पता नहीं कि ये बंदा कहाँ से है. हमको भी रिसर्च करके ही मालूम पड़ा. उसके बाद में मैं आपको एक और बात बता दूं. आप अगर क्रिकेट इन्फो में जाते हो, शायद अभी वो एरर रेक्टिफाई कर दिया है, बट व्हेन आई रेड इट a few weeks ago, रांची कमा महाराष्ट्र. I'm still, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ अभी भी कहाँ पे है महाराष्ट्र में रांची. So that's one, and but yes, he's done so well for Pune, and like you rightly said, Rahane का जो बुरा फॉर्म रहा है, he's been able to completely overshadow all that, and as an opener, tremendous boost. There is so much composure, and the contrast to the way he plays, उसके बात करने से ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत शर्मिला लड़का है एकदम.
But that has been the case. I mean, these guys are so down to earth. First time इतने बड़े platform पे आके they are expressing themselves, which is
one of the
good.
Commentators said, of course, one of the commentators said he didn't even play the local T20 tournament. तो मतलब सोचो कि आप छोटे टूर्नामेंट्स नहीं खेलते, आप सीधा के आईपीएल खेलते हो, सब अंतरराष्ट्रीय खिलाड़ी के साथ आपका मुकाबला होता है, एंड देन यू डू सो वेल. इट्स जस्ट टॉकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट हिज कैरेक्टर.
Same was the case with Kunal Pandya.
Kunal Pandya, actually a lot of these guys, Paul Valthati was there, Swapnil Asnodkar, but what you have to see is sustain कर पाते हैं या नहीं. And I have a good feeling that Tripathi is an India candidate. Many people would say, what are we talking about, itna premature hai and all, but I think the way he has been playing consistently, and there is wobble at the top of the order, Dhawan, Rohit, Rahane, in and out. So I think if given an opportunity, this guy could spring in a surprise.
Okay, but I'll tell you what, there is one very interesting stats जो मैंने कल शायद तक टीवी पे देखा ये, कि he has scored most runs in power play in the first. He is above David Warner.
Really?
Yeah. He's above David Warner.
अगर तुम ये ट्रिविया करते ना तो मैं 100% नजदीक भी नहीं आता त्रिपाठी के. So again, this is just goes to show the kind of impact he has had for Pune. And अगर आप Pune की success, if you map their success, one, yes, surely Ben Stokes has been their all-rounder, the balance with the ball, Imran Tahir. But this guy has done his job very quietly, and मेरे हिसाब से he has been a driving force. आप कह सकते हो कि चलो मैंने 14 करोड़ दिए, बेन स्टोक्स को उसने जिताया, बट अगर ये सब रन्स वो नहीं लाता ना, तो मैं कह रहा हूँ जैसा फॉर्म चल रहा है धोनी और रहाणे का, पुणे आज ऊपर नहीं नीचे होता.
Very, very true. But I'll ask you one very important question. Might be हमारे listeners को भी वो दिमाग में आता रहेगा कि we can't risk picking players like this as captain or vice captain.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Yes, you can't pick these players as captains or vice captains purely because look, what you see in the IPL is just could be a flash in the pan story. Reputation is something different. That's why you will see people picking Warner, you will see people picking Rohit Sharma, even Nitish Rana. I would put him in that bracket, with Tripathi. Siddharth Kaul, the bowler for Hyderabad. See, these guys are not captain material. You could say har match mein 50 to maar raha hai, but somewhere you have to talk about reputation, and it's like Ishan Kishan has been a surprise package for Gujarat, promoted to open with Brendan McCullum. When you have two world-class openers in Dwayne Smith and Aaron Finch batting at 4 and 5, how do you explain that? Fantasy cricket can be played in two ways. One is with logic, one is obviously without logic. And I play with logic. If Ishan Kishan is getting the runs, I'll say no problem. लेकिन मेरे logic के खिलाफ है. You cannot rest Finch and Dwayne Smith and ask this 19-year-old boy to open with McCullum. That is logically wrong. It might work for you, but in fantasy cricket, I keep saying it's a game of average. एक दिन आप चमकोगे, लेकिन over a longer period of time, you will falter. So that is one way of playing. The other is you will say, I'll go with the flow. I'll pick Ishan Kishan. I don't care about reputation. That could backfire. So many times fantasy cricket leagues are won or lost by a simple thought.
Okay. But when it comes to the Grand League, these kind of players are a good pick as a captain or
हमने
vice captain.
सुंदर के बारे में चर्चा की थी.
Yes.
We spoke about Sundar. We spoke about Manish Pandey. So ऐसे players, Samuel Badri, somebody had him as a captain. Man, वो तो लाखों में जीत गया. So ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स यू हैव टू पिक जो दूसरा कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता इसके बारे में. भले उसके खेलने के चांसेस बहुत ही मिनिमम हो. कल अगर पीयूष चावला खेल जाता तो हाउ मेनी पीपल, या कॉलिन, यू सेड समबडी पिक कॉलिन डी ग्रैंडहोम. सो दीज आर द पिक्स यू नो दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इफ यू हैव टू प्ले ग्रैंड लीग. बट let's not talk grand, let's talk small thoda. And let's get down to our 3, 5, 10, 20 business.
ये जो हमारे टीम्स होते हैं, these are basically for 3, 5, 10 भी?
Of course 10 and 20 bilkul, because if you see, at least I have been observing, if not 1 and 2 have been finishing 3 consistently out of 10 teams, which is a reasonable run if you compare the last week or so. So no complaints. Okay.
So let's move on to today's match. Delhi plays Gujarat. It's an important match for both of them.
Absolutely.
Even for Gujarat?
I would say Gujarat is gone. Mathematically, I don't think they can come because they are on 6 points now, if I'm not wrong. And if they win 4 more, that takes him to how much? 8 and 6, 14. Pune already 14 पे बैठा हुआ है. So, and then if Punjab wins something, and if Delhi wins something, so Gujarat are gone, in my opinion. DD have an outside chance. But they have to win everything. And if they start winning everything, 10 साल में एक तो IPL जीतते.
No, I don't think so. Delhi has any
So
chance
very
to
politely, I would say the top 4 has been decided. It is unfortunate for the tournament that we are on May 5th or May 4th, and we know the top 4. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है इतिहास में. 10th edition should have been more
competitive.
More competitive. It should have gone down to the wire. But nahi. But regardless, I think, see, it would be unfair to say कि inconsequential है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं मानता नहीं इस बात को, क्योंकि one is you're playing fantasy cricket, number 2 there is a lot of money at stake, and all these teams are also playing for pride. So I don't think they'll be just going out to the park to just go and go through the motions. I don't think that's going to happen. They'll be going there with real intent. They would want to perform and please their fans and the owners also.
Okay, I have set of questions.
Yeah.
Number 1, Rishabh Pant versus Dinesh Karthik. You have picked Rishabh Pant.
So Pant was promoted to number 3, if I'm not wrong, in the last game. And he did extremely well. He's going to go after the bowling. It's not a very big crowd, Delhi. So I see Pant doing well. Number 2, Gujarat, they don't have a great bowling lineup. Let's not forget Andrew Tye has dislocated his shoulder and he's out of the tournament.
Okay.
Number 3, Dinesh Karthik. Yes, he's been scoring very well for Gujarat, coming at number 4, 5. Despite all these big guns, he has been getting the consistent runs.
Yes.
Will it happen tonight again? I don't know. Why? Because it's a small ground. If McCullum, Finch, Raina and Dwayne Smith get going, इसको मौका कहाँ मिलने वाला है? This is my logic. So I go, like I said, 3 reasons. छोटा ग्राउंड है, पंत को प्रमोट किया है, गुजरात का बॉलिंग कुछ खास नहीं है, so I pick ऋषभ पंत.
Okay. Question number 2. Sam Billings, Pat Cummins, Kagiso Rabada, तीनों भी हमारी टीम में नहीं है.
अगर आपको तीनों लेने हैं और तीनों को, so मेरी सलाह ये है, if you want to win a Grand League today, pick all 3 and make 2 out of 3 vice captain and captain. Because Delhi, so there was one interesting stat. One of my friends, he just texted me and he said, over the last 10 years, the only team to have changed many players. For example, let's say DD Caps. अगर आप देखो, maximum उनके players को मौका दिया गया है, which means there is a lot of rotation going on, which means there is a lot of shuffling going on. So DD is the only team आई थिंक उनका मानना ये है कि अगर 20 लोग बेंच पे बैठे हैं तो सबको कहीं ना कहीं मौका मिल जाता है, मतलब देना ही है. सो दैट्स द थियरी दे बिलीव इन. इट हैज नॉट वर्कड फॉर देम. आई समटाइम्स वंडर व्हाट अपटन एंड राहुल द्रविड आर डूइंग. फॉर नो रीजन दे ड्रॉप्ड पैट्रिक कमिंस. He was a leading bowler. Imagine 8 quality overs of Kagiso Rabada and Pat Cummins up the order. Very hostile, very pacey. Something what Umesh Yadav and Coulter Nile have done.
Yeah.
So something Mitchell McClenaghan, Malinga, Johnson, Jasprit Bumrah have done. So this is so important. You learn from your mistakes. You learn from other teams. And ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके पास bowling अच्छी नहीं है ना. It's not that you are a Kings 11 or a Gujarat Lions when it comes to pace bowling. You have the
Delhi has the
you have the ammunition.
pace,
So so you go after it. Why are you not exploiting? That is a sad story. And Kagiso Rabada has been their pick of the bowlers. Last match he got hammered for 50 odd runs, if I'm not wrong, in 4 overs.
Yeah.
And Delhi का कैसा है, गलती मतलब you're gone. ऐसा literally you're on the edge and he could be
So
dropped.
you are saying that their position is not certain.
Nothing. Nobody's position is certain. Even captain ka position certain nahi. That is Karun Nair. So that is Delhi for you. So what could happen is they might say, okay, Rabada, you conceded more runs. So we drop you. We pick Cummins. Or they could say, no, we like Cummins on the bench. So we play Rabada. क्यों पंगे में पड़ना है आप लोग को?
Okay. And same is the case with Sam Billings because he scored 0 and he was dropped.
Absolutely. They have made a mess of Sam Billings. So actually you're wrong, Nikhil. He made a 0. So he got dropped. Came back, got a 0. Got dropped even in the last match.
Yeah.
So chances are that वो आज खेलेगा ही नहीं. मेरे को तो almost confirm. And I think he should be playing the Ireland ODIs. We'll talk about the Ireland ODIs in a bit.
Yeah.
But again, one of the messages going around in my group was, and I have to share this with you guys, Chris Wokes, Ben Stokes, and Josh Butler.
Yeah.
Okay, so these 3 guys. And the rest was Chris Morris, Hashim Amla, Jason Roy, and a few others. Okay, so they were asking why these 3 players are not playing the Ireland ODIs and why others are going back. And I quietly said, जिसका कोई रोल नहीं है and जिसका टीम प्लेऑफ में नहीं है वो लोग जा सकते हैं. If you look at Butler, Mumbai is in this, Stokes, RPS, and you look at the other guy, Chris Wokes, KKR. So जिसका रोल है ये सब बने रहेंगे, बाकी सब चले जाएंगे. Jason Roy, again we'll talk about Ireland. So the news is, confirmed news is Stokes, Butler, Chris Wokes are not playing the Ireland series. Okay, so you can pick them freely. It's a 2-match ODI series. Now, coming back to this match, Billings again might be traded for Marlon Samuels.
Yeah, he is.
Let's not forget he's in the team. Corey Anderson, जिसको कभी खिलाना ही नहीं चाहिए था, they kept playing. He scored a 40, जगह बचा लिया. So he's playing. In my opinion, I'll tell you the 4 foreigners. Corey Anderson will be one for sure. They love Angelo Matthews, don't they?
Yeah,
I
true.
don't understand, man. So number 2, number 3 could be Chris Morris. Has to be Chris Morris. 4 could be a toss-up between Rabada and Cummins. So this is
okay.
So
okay,
next
guys,
question, please.
Yeah, I think the set of questions are over.
No.
One heads up for all our listeners who are viewing our team on our website.
Yes.
We in Probable 11, I think we have mentioned Jason Roy.
Correct.
But Jason Roy is not there, so we'll make that correction.
Yeah, they will go with Dwayne Smith. यार, उनको तो लेना ही है उसको.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll just go ahead with the team that we have found. So we start with Rishabh Pant, then we have Sanju Samson, Brendan McCullum, Suresh Raina, Aaron Finch. Suresh Raina is our captain, Brendan McCullum is our vice captain. Okay, one observation, बाद में question पूछता हूँ. In all-rounder we have Ravindra Jadeja, Chris Morris, James Faulkner, and in bowling we have Mohammad Shami, Amit Mishra. You love Amit Mishra,
I
don't
really
you?
like Amit
and
Mishra.
Basil Tampi. Okay, now captain and vice captain from Gujarat Lions. Why no one? Yeah, why no one from Delhi?
Good question. So before I talk about captain, vice captain, I want to talk about James Faulkner. So I had the option of either picking Ishan Kishan or Shreyas Iyer in place of James Faulkner. But मैंने सोचा इतनी अच्छी बैटिंग लाइनअप तो है नहीं. And Delhi wicket can be very unpredictable. And James Faulkner, like we saw in the not the previous game, the match before that, he was the
against
wicket
Mumbai.
taker. Against Mumbai, he picked wickets. He also scored runs.
Yeah.
Yes. So he's that type of a guy. And all this, if you see Finch, McCullum, Raina, all these guys can fall in no time the way they have been batting.
Yeah.
And then it falls on the shoulders of Ravindra Jadeja and Dinesh Karthik and James Faulkner. So these guys contribute. So मैंने कहा Iyer छोड़ो, James Faulkner ले लो. So that is one. I had to clear this. Number 2, coming back to your captain question. दिल्ली में से अगर मैं किसी को कैप्टन बनाऊं तो किसे?
You have only one candidate, that is Chris Morris.
Okay. Chris Morris, yeah. So Chris Morris has not had a great run last 2 matches. Okay, let's be very honest. Everybody goes through. He started on a high. For the first match, he was the match winner for DD. Even if DD didn't win, he was the secret match winner. Okay, and then the form dipped. Catches have been dropped. Let's not forget catches. I think this has been, in my opinion, Nikhil, the worst IPL in terms of catching standard.
Yeah, I know.
Both domestic, international, Indians, overseas, सबने छोड़ा है catch. ऐसे पता नहीं. So anyway, so this is why I pick Suresh Raina. Raina again has blown hot and cold, but 3-4 ओवर डालता है.
Yeah.
फील्डिंग अच्छी कर लेता है, 1 डाउन बैटिंग आता है. और कौन जबरदस्त कैंडिडेट है यार, बताओ मेरे को. अगर बैटिंग में 5 भी मारता है और 1 विकेट लेता है, हो गया ना, बन जाता है यार. एंड एक्स्ट्रा कवर में रहता है, ही गेट्स अ रन आउट और 2. सो इट्स एंड ब्रेंडन मैकलम knows only one way to play, and Delhi is a short ground, square, especially where Brendan McCullum is extremely strong. If there is space, short and wide, which Rabada, Cummins, Mohammad Shami are capable of bowling, Brendan McCullum will feed on it. So
Okay.
ये logic
So
है.
this means
I see
that
a lot
you are
of
hoping
हाँ,
Gujarat to win today.
no question about it. No doubt about it. Oh, yeah, देखो, if they might not make it to the playoffs, but you have to also see किसके साथ खेल रहे हैं ना, और चांस कितना है. I think if Gujarat bat well and if they bat first against DD, जैसा हमने विकेट को देखा, मैदान भी बहुत छोटी है, they could be scoring in excess of 180-185.
Okay. That will be the wrap, guys. There are a lot of fans who ask questions like आज कौन जीतेगा, कौन सा टीम जीतेगा. So there is the answer. Vivek thinks Gujarat will take this. If Gujarat takes it, I think DD is gone.
DD is gone. DD is gone. Yes.
Okay. On that note,
Pune fans start celebrating here.
Okay, on that note, we'll wrap this show, guys. If you have any doubts, you can connect us via Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, and on Facebook as Fantasy Pundit. The article is up on our website. You can see the team over there. We'll make those correction of Jason Roy, who has definitely gone to England versus Ireland series.
Yes.
You can listen to our podcast on Indosox Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, Audio Boom, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, keep hunting, guys. Bye-bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.